Hi there, today we are going to spend 1 minute and 30 seconds to understand grants and subsidies in France. The principles, first of all. There are 3 rules. First, the bigger the enterprise is, the lower the economical impact will be, and vice versa. Second, the percentage of funding, which ranges from 20 to 70%. And finally, the aid is always capped to the total equity of the recipient. Now the type of grants. So first of all, you get subsidies, rather dedicated to small businesses, up to 100,000 euros. Never reimbursable. Second, you get reimbursable advances, dedicated to small and medium enterprises, ranging from 100 to 250,000 euros. Never reclaimable if the project fails, but reclaimable if the project succeeds. And finally, you get free interest loans, ranging from 1 million to 3 million euros, and with always a mandatory reimbursement. Now the chart of different grants and subsidies in France, starting from less innovative to more innovative. For the very small enterprise, you get, first of all, up to 30,000 euros. Second, you get TP up to 50,000 euros. Then you get PMF up to 250,000 euros. Then you get a special subsidy for foreign companies, small and business foreign companies, up to 250,000 euros, called Starter Pack. Then you get, always for SMEs, InnovUp, consisting in subsidies and reimbursable advance up to 1 million euros. Prototype, InnovUp, and experimentation up to 1 million euros as well. And then for very large enterprise, you get InnovUp project consisting in a free interest loan up to 3 million euros. Want to know more about grants and subsidies in France? Don't hesitate to reach out to us. Looking forward to reading you soon. Bye then.